Boogie Cookie, and today I'll be feeding my baby alive. Grace, she's the better than my baby doll. Get closer to her. And if you've seen the Captain America video, you've seen her. She's my newest addition. So today we'll be feeding her some, and I'm in the bathroom. You can't see my head, but I'm in the bathroom, and I filled her bottle up with water, and I have this, and we're gonna make her some lemonade. So here's the top, it's really cute. So let's just put that into the bottle. Yeah. Squeeze that lemon out. Hopefully this is not too sour. You can't really see it because she has a pink bottle, but I'm going to show you guys. Yeah, I mean you kind of can't see it. Just 2 ounces. So she doesn't have a bib, so hopefully she doesn't mess up her dress. Okay. Let's tip it back a little bit. Oh yeah, she's in a diaper, so close that door quick because yeah. Ooh, God. You like it? I think she really likes that. Is that good? I think she likes it. Okay. She's almost done. Let me show you. This is probably one of her favorite juices, so, or drink. This is a puppy guy, thanks you guys. Go ahead. You see my foot. See how done? You want some more? Here you go. She's kind of spitting it out. It's not even coming out. Goes in close up. Here you go. Okay, she about to drink the whole bottle. I mean, she did. Oh my God, guys. Who knows that this diaper was leaking? It's disgusting. Okay. Let's not spit a leak. Okay, I have a rag, and I'm gonna get it sour quick. Disgusting. Yeah, that's disgusting. Lay it on this towel because I don't think I will really need to change in my ability I do. So, this diaper is soaked. You can feel it from the back. Some of these clothes. Look at that. Oh, she peed. Yeah, that's just disgusting. So I'm just gonna. I'll be wet this, so I'm gonna wash her off. You're such a messy girl, aren't you? You're such a messy girl. Such a messy girl. Let's clean you up. Okay. Now we gotta clean up this because that's just disgusting. That would be so. Yeah. Wow. So now I'm going to get home to clean the diaper, which is over here. So I get a nice fresh diaper. Also, let's take this off. Make sure she's clean. Got some left. She's got some everywhere, don't you? She has a messy easel. Yeah, she's usually one who's up and just makes a mess, so it's really not surprising. And this is the first video on my YouTube channel. So here's she right here. Diaper popped. Okay. So that is Miss Grace. Aren't you cutie? Now it's the feeding of her lemonade and yeah. So put that disgusting diaper to the side and have have this dry. And yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And put in the comments below how's your baby life ever great on my tab today.